Hey everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury, and I am here for Scrappyshak to do the unboxing and the tutorials for the May 2025 Scrappyshak subscription box. It's the Artist in You, and I apologize I'm a little late on this. We were in Nashville and just been a crazy time. I promise I will do better this month. So please forgive me, but we're super excited about this box. It's called The Artist in You. So let's go ahead and see what awesome projects that we have got coming to us today. So the first project is called the Ink Blended Paintbrush Card. Look how pretty. And then the second one's called Rainbow Paintbrush Card. The third one is called Torn Vellum Paint Tube Card. Super cute. And then the last card we'll be doing, it's called Be the Color Canvas Collage. That looks like a mixed media project, which is super fun. And then, of course, on this page here, there's other inspirations of things you can do with the products that's in the box. And here is some related products. And you also get 15% off of any of the related products through, the date is always there. So let's see what is actually in the box. I always like to go ahead and print the instructions off and let's get a good look. So, of course, you get this beautiful Scrappyshak box. Then when you open it up, you get this wonderful purple tissue paper, which my Sookie really, really loves. And you always have a card with the QR code that gives you access that you can print your instructions. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything out. And you get some fun crinkle paper, which my Sookie loves too. I don't know where she's at. She was in here just a few minutes ago, so hopefully she'll make an appearance. We know how she loves the Scrappyshak box and the crinkle paper. So let's see here. So you should have 1, 2, 3 card kits. And then you've got this awesome butterfly, and there's a canvas in here. And then you have Love Indigo Blue. So you've got 2 stamp sets from Indigo Blue, paintbrushes and paint tubes. And they are the rubber stamps there, so you get that. And then you get this absolutely awesome, it's called Painted Blooms, and it's a cutting die from Spellbinders. You actually get 11 dies. Look at all these dies in here. Oh my goodness. So we are going to have some super, super fun with this. So go ahead and get your instructions, and let's get started on the first